Craftzilla Colored Duct Tape 6Color Variety Pack 10 yards x 2-inch rolls. Rainbow Color Craft Set. Bright colors. This set of multicolored duct tape includes 6 varieties of bright and eye-catching colors: orange, green, yellow, pink, blue and purple. Each roll measures 2 inches x 10 yards, 60 yards in total. The tapes are residue-free, so it's clean and easy to use for all kinds of projects without the sticky mess. Arts and crafts tape. Kids of all ages will love this variety pack of colorful duct tape. Boys and girls can use it for their classroom craft and activities like duct tape wallets, journal decorations, etc. It's the perfect addition to every teacher's DIY kit collection. The tear-by-hand material makes it easier for little kids to use it without using scissors. For home, school, and office, parents, adults and professionals will also find this Craftzilla Colored Duct Tape useful. Our tapes are waterproof, so it can be utilized in a number of ways such as decorative projects, designs, and home improvement without worrying about it falling off, even when it gets wet. Great for color coding. Rainbow assortment and design is also perfect for naming, organizing and packing boxes, or any color-coded duct tape labeling related to household, classroom, moving, or kitchen crafts. 100% satisfaction guaranteed. This product includes a worry-free 60-day return policy. See why Amazon customers love our colored duct tape set.